Hello and welcome to How to Log In. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can log in to your Longbridge mortgage account. Go ahead and open the Chrome or Edge browser and in the Google search bar search for Longbridge mortgage account. Click on the first link which appears on your screen. It will take you to the login portal of Longbridge Financial LLC. Go ahead and write down your username or your email address. Click on password and write down your password as well. Then click login and then you can successfully log in to your Longbridge account. If you have lost your password, click on lost your password and you can write down your email address and reset your password once again. I hope this video was helpful for you. This was a video on how you can log in to your Longbridge mortgage account. See you in the next video. I hope you will like the video and subscribe to our channel as well. Goodbye and take care.